Hey, hi everyone. How are you all? Welcome back. So in this lecture, I will be showing you what's the difference between, you know, the spring.jpa.hibernate.ddl-auto equal to update and spring.jpa.hibernate.ddl-auto is equal to create, right? The eighth property, right? So the thing is that the difference between these two is that when you use update, right? When Spring Boot will execute the application, it will first check whether the table actually exists or not. Okay, if it exists, then it will just update the value. Suppose you are adding any columns to the table, so it will just alter the table. Okay, and it will add the column to the particular table. Whereas if you use create, okay, so when Spring Boot will execute, it will just check if I mean, it will not check if the table exists or not. It will simply drop the table, okay, the existing table if it's already there, and it will create one new one. Okay, so let us check how this works. So here actually you can see, let me first go to my database. Okay, so let's check what's the table present here, what all the tables present here. So you can see the product stability table is already there. So what I'll do is that I'll just drop this column called number of items, right? Okay, you can see the column has been dropped. Now let me just execute this application and see what's happening behind the scenes, right? Okay, let's see what what Spring is doing now. Okay, it's saying that okay, we are getting one exception. Let us check why we are getting the exception. The network adapter could not establish the connection. Okay, let me first go to my application.properties. Okay, so now you can see that the URL we are using is 192.168.0.4, but currently my database is running on 192.168.0.3. I will just change the IP address now. Okay, and I will rerun the application. Let me first clear the console now first. Okay, now let me rerun the application. Let me maximize the screen. So here you can see the alter statement, right? Alter table products, add number of items. So you can see that it's updating the table, it's not dropping the table. Let us go to this database once again and refresh our table. You can see the number of items has been added, right? Now let us do one thing. Let us stop this application first, and instead of update we'll be using create now, right? Let us check what's happening. You can see a new table has been created, right? Drop table, product, cascade constraints, and create table. Correct. So if I go to the DB now, you can't see any difference because you know the number of columns are same. So just to show this as a proof, I'll do one thing. I'll just comment this out, right? Let's stop the application. Now let us run the application. You can see that there'll be only 2 columns there. Okay. Let me refresh this table now. Okay. Okay. So you can see that there are 2 columns now. So just to show you another proof, I'll just comment this out. Okay, uncomment this portion. Correct. And say in this application.properties I use your update, right? So if I run this application, what will happen? You tell me what will happen. It will just alter the table and add the column there, right? So if you see this statement, see alter table columns has been added, been executed, I'm sorry. And if I refresh this products table, let me refresh this one actually. You can see it has been added. And now say I comment this column, and now I run this application once again. What will happen? So you can see that Spring is not dropping the column, right? Because the thing is that if Spring by chance drops this application, some other application might be using that particular column, right? So it will not, drop that particular column even if you comment this out, right? So this is the thing which I wanted to show you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the lecture. So bye for now. Thank you so much.